For the next question, we have a random number of data centers on premises, and they are running either on Windows Server 2012 R2 Data Center Edition or on Windows Server 2016 Data Center Edition. And you are required to configure Azure Sync Service between Azure Files service and the servers from the data center. And you need to indicate what two activities you must complete in order to assure that the service will operate successfully on your servers. And the options given are these ones. So the first one is you disable Internet Explorer Enhanced Security for admins only. You ensure that Active Directory Federation Services, ADFS, is deployed to all servers. The third one is ensure that for file server clusters, Azure Active Directory Connect is deployed to at least one server in the cluster. Or you disable Internet Explorer Enhanced Security for admins and users this time, so not only for admins, but for both. Or you ensure that PowerShell version deployed to the servers is at minimum version 5.1. So I think this is a question we haven't seen before, and I think it's quite interesting to discuss a little bit. So the correct answers are the two last ones. Yes, it will be something, in my opinion, again, that you have to remember by heart. And also it will be useful to know that Active Directory Federation Services, so ADFS, and Azure Active Directory Connect, they don't need to be installed on the file servers in the environment. AD Connect is used to synchronize on-premises identities to AD, so Azure AD, and so is needed in the overall environment, but not in the file servers. And let's double check now with the documentation. All the answers will be under Deploy Azure File Sync, and I think it's a bit tricky to find the correct answer, because first you're going to need to go to prerequisites under PowerShell, and here you're going to see that the AZ PowerShell module that should be used, it's either PowerShell 5.1 or PowerShell 6 plus. So at least you're going to need at least PowerShell 5.1. And for the second correct option, you're going to find the answer here under Prepare Windows servers to use with Azure File Sync under the portal. They're going to describe all the steps that are needed to follow, and you're going to see for the fourth one in the Internet Explorer Enhanced Security Configuration dialog box, you're going to need to select off for both administrators and users. Concerning Azure AD Connect, you can see here that is used is an on-premises Microsoft application, which is designed to meet and accomplish your hybrid identity goals, and one of them is synchronization. So it will be responsible for creating users, groups, and other objects. So actually it will not answer to our problem.